This is the Joyet roll of cellophane, and this is 35 inches wide and 110 inches long, or maybe feet. I don't even know. There's a ton of it in here, probably feet. Yeah, it's gonna be 110 feet. So it's 35 inches wide. The roll is only 17 and a half inches wide though, but it folds in half. You can see right there, and then you can see on that end that it separates apart, and so it's folded over on itself, so it's 17 and a half inches wide, so it's not very big for transport or anything. The description page said that this was good for wrapping around flowers and gifts and all that good stuff, and I'm sure that it probably is great for that. That's not what I'm using it for though. What I'm using it for is actually for marking a flooring template for new flooring for a boat. And so you can see that I've already got this piece set up, and it's a little bit windy. So the cellophane though is 3 mils thick, so it's not very thick, but it works really, really well. We're just going around these edges here, and you can see that what I've done is I've made it so that it matches the tread there. But this way I can just use a simple Sharpie on it, and I can mark the exact spots where I want to have the lines, and then I can just take this piece of cellophane and set it on the new flooring, and I know exactly where I need the new flooring to be cut at. So this cellophane, it has a lot of different purposes, but I can tell you for sure that it works well for doing flooring templates, and I have no reason to think that it wouldn't do great for flowers or anything like that. It is relatively durable, but you know, if you do get a rip in it or whatever, and then you pull on it much, that rip will go ahead and tear on through. So you got to be a little bit careful with it if that matters a lot to you. But all things considered, yeah, I'd definitely get it again. It's worked great for what I've needed.